Buntag, udto, hapon, gabi sa inyo guys. Ako din si Rex Flora sa London, ang inyong bugtong vlogger karon no. So today's video ay explain ako sa inyo kung unsa ba ang tawisim. So nakapamilyar na ba mo aning pictura? So kung nakapamilyar na mo no kanang unsa may mga hunahuna niyo nga pictura. Di ba para tong number na 69, dili tong number 69 na position. So akong topic dayron kay it's all about tawisim. So dali na, lantaw na song video ug ato nang i-remind kung unsa ang tawisim.
At the core of Taoism is the idea that everything in the universe follows a natural flow, which humans should observe and respect rather than control. Nature operates effortlessly, rivers flow, seasons change, and plants grow without force. Taoists believe that human beings should live in alignment with this natural order rather than imposing their will upon it. This perspective fosters a deep appreciation for the environment, encouraging simplicity and sustainability. Instead of fighting against life's changes, a Taoist learns to accept and adapt, finding peace in the understanding that everything unfolds as it should.
Ordoism is an ancient Chinese philosophy and spiritual tradition that emphasizes living in harmony with the Tao, which means the way. It was founded over 2,000 years ago, mainly influenced by a philosopher named Lao Tzu, who wrote the famous book Tao Te Ching. So karon no wala na ko ang nadala ang libro na kuha ni Lao Tzu, pero ihatag na lang nako sa inyo ang picture ato para nasan mo idea kung unsa ang picture sa book na Tao Te Ching na gikuan ni Lao Tzu.
The Tao Te Ching or Laozi is a Chinese classic text and foundational work of Taoism, traditionally credited to the sage Laozi, though the text's authorship and date of composition and compilation are debated. The oldest excavated portion dates to the late 4th century BC.
So this is the core ideas of Taoism. First is the Wu Wei. So one of the key ideas in Taoism is Wu Wei, which means effortless action. It's about little things happen naturally instead of forcing them. Imagine trying to force a river to exchange its course. It's exhausting and pointless. Instead, Taoism teaches us to align with the flow of life. Second is the yin and yang, or we can call it the balance in life. So this is the picture of yin and yang. So pas nung giingon ako ganyan sa introduction, mo siya og 69 og forma. So the opposites are interconnected. Light and dark, strength and softness, chaos and peace. They all need each other. Think of day and night. Without one, this other wouldn't exist. 3 is simplicity and nature. So mao ni atong kuno ginatawag nato na simplicity and nature. So Taoism also teaches simplicity and a deep connection with nature. In a world full of stress and distractions, Taoism reminds us to slow down, breathe, and find joys in simple things. So, how Taoism can improve your life? Para sa nang mga kwanta, mag-backlight ta sa garden. Diba, peaceful katong kuan kanang atong life ana. Basta ni na video oh. See, nindot kayo ang effect ang Taoism sa tuwa. So, how can we apply Taoism in our daily lives? First is stop overthinking. Let things unfold naturally instead of always trying to control everything. Kung gusto nimo makakuan, ma-peaceful naman kinabuhi, ayaw pag-overthink. Kung nauna kung unsa ang naa sa mo ron, ayaw nunwa ang imong kaugmaon. Amen. Second is embrace change. Like season change, so does life. Adapt and flow with it. So kuan kanang dapat tao guta. Kinahanglan nato magbago kay tao ra baya ta. 3 is find your balance. Work and rest, action and stillness. Don't overdo one at the expense of the other. So dapat kabalo po ta mag-manage itong mga sa tong time, sa tong sarili, sa tong pamilya, or even sa ato ang uyab na diya. Ginoo ko. Fourth is spend time in nature. Taoists see nature as the ultimate teacher. A quiet walk can teach you more than a day on social media. So kanang mabaklay-baklay ta sa kwan, mo na ginatulo sa tawisim kanang dili lang ta mag-rely on social media, dapat kwan po ta mag-connect po ta sa ato ang mother nature. And maura to no, and tawisim isn't about doing more, it's about doing less with intention. It's about living lightly and embracing the natural rhythm of life. So, I am Rex Salandron and this is my vlog for today's video. Thank you all for watching.